just checking if everything's okay.
Okay.
We're gonna be beginning so learning. Alright, you can wait in the
Ay, wait lang. Did you turn this off? Ayun. Waiting for the email.
Okay, so the email will be sent in the morning or in the afternoon. It will not be sent right away. So I suggest that you go home for now, so you don't have to wait.
Okay.
Alright. I'll be going ahead.
Ma'am, excuse me po. Hindi po pwede mag-stay dito, ma'am. Tapos sa pala yung assessment mo, ma'am, eh. Dapat kung mag-stay ka, kung may hinihintay ka, mando ka lang sa planta sa baba.
Okay.
Oo.
Ano pong name nila? Ano pong name nila?
Ako po.
Yes po.
Sisileros po. Duty pa sa robot sa
Duty po kayo ngayon.
Oo.
Pasensya na po. Meron po kasi ako mga stalker. So, pwede po bang... Ano pong name niyo ulit?
Sisileros Fernando po. Ako pa yung officer sa gabi po. Sino po hinihintay niyo, ma'am?
Email lang po.
Hindi, ma'am.
Miss, bukas po ang
Okay lang
email.
po.
Opo.
Bukas
So,
bukas.
Opo, bukas po. So, uwi po muna kayo para hindi na po kayo maghintay here.
Pwede na yun dyan.
Sige po.
Ay!
Ito na lang po.
Wait, sorry.
Ganyan na yan. Ganyan na lang.
Wala na sa lugar.
Wala na po.
Doon po kasi ganun kasi yung protocolan dito. Ito is malalaki hanggang Frandes. Sa baba.
Si,
Dito po ba? Dito po sa
Iili ko muna ako.
Sige po.
Hello po, excuse me. You're one of our applicants po.
Yes po.
You were informed po that the result will be open
Email.
tomorrow. Yes. What are your plans po? Will you be staying here or?
I'm just messaging my lawyer friend because he's also waiting for the results. So I just need to tell him what happened. Tell them what happened.
Oh, would you like to visit our HR office so that we
HR? No
so that we
need.
could further
No need.
check what happened?
No need.
Oh,
I'll just wait for the email.
you'll just wait for the email
For the results.
right now.
I know. I'm composing my message for my lawyer friends because they're waiting for the results because there's a stalker sabotaging my job application. So I need to tell them what happened so they would not be worried.
Oh, sorry.
It's
thank you.
okay.